What we use is a technique called car parked crossing, and that is using a car. Yes, we use a parked car to help us cross the road. I know, thinking back when I grew up, it was never use parked cars, don't cross in between the parked cars. But because of all, not just in Newham, everywhere you go, loads and loads of car drivers are there, and the cars are taking up the curb. This is our curb. As you can see, I'm pointing to it. This is where we should normally stand, but we cannot access the curb because the car's there. So what we do, we just check there's no driver, and we use the front of the vehicle here, right? What I'm normally get, you see my fingers, to get the child position, we're going to trail the front of this car, and this is the outer light. So you just position yourself right near the outer light, and your foot positioning, if you can see, is at 12. I call this 12 o'clock, facing where I'm going to cross. And then what we do, you can probably hear, that's where your listening skills come in. If you look to the right, you can see a vehicle coming. I'm just checking the road, and I'm going to look to the left. And then again, before I go, quick right check, left check, all clear, and over I go. And I'm now on the opposite side of the road, you can see. Excellent.